Good morning, Crewz Nation. It's your boy Zawawi, and welcome back to a new vlog. It's Friday morning. It's around 9 a.m. and I am taking the pocket rocket with me. Let's see. It's been a while. Ooh, I love the interior. Hello there. Alright, it's been a while. Got a warning message. It says increase battery discharge when stationary. Start at noon. If problem recurs, have the problem checked by service. Yes, sir. Oh, I see. Alright, I thought it was gonna be cold, but it's actually freaking hot, so give me a moment. Alright, let's yes. We got sport or green. We'll go with sport. But how do we work the... Okay, there we go. Ah. Alright. Let's... I think we can do this. But I don't know where the garage door is. And that is a... Oh, maybe here. Nope. Damn it. I didn't. I can jack my brothers. I'll be right back. Please be unlocked. Yes. I don't think he's gonna go any. Alright. Pocket rocket, baby. And I have to be honest, I prefer this over the new Supra. I mean, they're both BMW, but no, actually, bear with me for a second. All right, jacket. Ooh, see me or not? But the warning message is actually telling me to drive the car. It needs to be driven. We got the head-up display and garage, please open. All right, let's do this. Whoa. Garage. Let's lock that. Oh, come on. Yes. Yes. All right, let's do this. Shift. Let's put it in manual. All right, so we are in the, I don't know if I even mentioned this, but we're in a 2016 Mini Cooper, John Cooper Works something, and it has a little nice burble to it. The police. What to do? Obey the law. I do feel a bit of shaking because the car hasn't been moved in a while, but if I go like this, maybe Mr. Police will let me pass by. And nope, not happening. Alright, so this is gonna be pretty boring, and that's one of the traditional police cars. It's a Toyota Land Cruiser V6 4-wheel drive, because we have a lot of desert here and some people try to escape, jumping to these sidewalks, I guess, and so they need big cars or 4x4s, and this is ridiculous. All right, I need water. Stay hydrated, people. Dynamic traction control activated. Ooh, sounds exciting. This is boring. thing I love about this country, because past a police officer, well, the speed limit is 120. We're going about 120, wink wink, and let's just go here so we don't. All right, and away we go. Oh, camera. I got you. Not this time, biatch. What a pocket rocket, man. I mean, BMW, my hat, you know, I love you guys. Anything they work on, I do like the new Supra. I honestly like the new Supra. I don't like how it looks. I love the engine. I love everything BMW. So BMW pretty much did everything. If I had the option, I would always go for the old Supras with the 2JZ. And actually, shockingly, I still haven't seen one with that conversion yet. So I cannot wait to see when someone slaps a 2JZ on one of the new Supras. Oh, that's gonna be an epic one. Alright, so signal, always your signal, check, no cars, we're good. Alright, let's do this. Ooh, the purple. So I did do a review on this car before, but to be honest with you, it was a while ago, so I don't really remember the specs. I know it's turbocharged, hence the burble. It's 4-banger, if I'm not mistaken, and it is pretty quick, and it has all this awesome technology, you know, and it's still connected to its, you know, to its heritage. The Mini, you know, Mr. Bean. Come on, everyone loves the Mini because Mr. Bean, and I think they did lose it for a few years, but I think they're back, especially since BMW is involved. I mean, wow. And you know, this is my dad's, you know, daily car because you can park it anywhere and all that. But I have to admit, I was resistant at first, you know, because, you know, you have the Ford Focus RS, the BMW, I don't know, M1 or 1M, I think 1M, yeah. But I honestly, you know, my hats off to my dad for getting this. MashaAllah, mashallah, you know. Of course, it's, you know, turbocharged. It's not a high revving engine, but look at that. I mean, it pulls. And we are at our exit. The downshifts are quick. I mean, not supercar quick. You can't compare it to a Porsche or a Lamborghini or even the M series, but for this little tiny car, and you know, the price you're paying, absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. It shifts so quick. Okay. All right. So we're on third gear. Look how quick that was. Okay. All right. So let me slow down. Third gear. We're on fourth gear. I mean, come on. That is amazing. All right, and we have reached exit 9. Brake, downshift, and as you know, it's a front-wheel drive car. So, there's a little bit of front-wheel drive slide. I don't know if it has the torque convector. I think it's called the torque convector. So if it does slides like what is it, the Honda Civic. But what a joy to drive. Oh, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Ah, burbles. The brakes are fantastic. The brakes are fantastic. Downshift, downshift. All right. I mean, you don't have to speed and go crazy in the city to enjoy your car. Of course, there's places that are a bit further away. And we have reached our location. IHOP. Best pancakes. No, the best pancakes are the ones I make, but IHOP makes pretty badass pancakes. Take a look. Ooh. It's weird. Even at low range, the car pulls. The car pulls, and this is I love it. A little tire squeal from first to second, but. It's telling me the front right tire needs to be checked, so I am gonna take care of that as soon as we're done, so no craziness. And this is one of my favorite turns when I'm in my car, but it is what it is. Whee! Dude, this car is awesome. And of course, you can put down the head-up display if you're not a fan. I'm really not a fan of the head-up display, although it's just distracting. Even like it has this little plastic panel, you know. And oh, I see a Porsche over there. Very nice. People are showing up. Ooh, I think that's a Challenger, but I might be mistaken. All right, let's see in the car. We just got a little tiny. Oh, freaking awesome. And we've reached, and of course this is mostly a classic car show, but people with newer cars start showing up and whatnot, and it is pretty sick, to be honest with you. And look at all the cars to your right. Ah, nice Corvette. All right, let's park it here. Oh, I press OK. I think I have a camera. And no, I don't. And that sucks because I can't see. All right, battery low, tire pressure low. I got you. I got you. Now, can I please back? All right. And we are parked. And thankfully we're not using the start stop option because it drives me crazy. And e-brake, park, and turn off. And welcome to the car show, ladies and gents. Oh, look at this. Absolutely beautiful. All right, Crewz Nation, we finally made it safe and sound. There's the Mini, and look at this beauty. Yep, all sorts of classics. Of course, you got the new classics. Look at this amazing Corvette. And maybe might be a bit overstated, to be honest with you. I mean, there's insane cars everywhere. I mean, this is insane. By the way, people in Saudi love their classic cars. I mean, look at these off-roading, crazy ass machines. This is unbelievable. And I'm sure you've seen some of these cars in the other vlogs, but this is awesome. I gotta check. I love these doors. Reminds me of the 50s and 60s. Amazing. Something a bit newer. And of course, you guys have seen this many times. Oh God, I love this Corvette. Of course. What's a classic or an auto show without a Beetle? An old school Beetle. Hell yeah! Look at this. This is awesome. Ah, another one. Look at that. Nice. All right. Getting some coffee. Tim Hortons. Actually, I'm gonna get some more orange juice. Want to stay healthy, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace. All right. So we're gonna go park our cars. As you can see, it's a mess. We're gonna park right next to each other, next to Zaid's Corvette, because there's the most space. And I am looking forward to hearing the cold starts from the. I think it's ZL1 or ZL1. Oh, it's an SS. And it has the 6.2 or 6.3?
6.2. That's
6.2 SS. All right, who's gonna start first? Yeah, we're gonna listen to the Camaro first. Oh, mashallah. Allah تخيرك وتشرى إن شاء الله. Everything is stock in this car. الحين كلها stock.
But this is closed valves, by the way.
كلها stock. سمعنا دعسة كذا. اطربنا. Holy shit. ما شاء الله الله يعطيك خير وفيك شرها ان شاء الله. دور العروسة. The amazing, والله the color is absolutely gorgeous, man. Alright, it's time for the M4. And not the Corvette, because we all know how loud Zaid's car is, mashallah. Alright, it's quiet. It's okay, I like the rumble.
No, this is a Grand Sport.
Grand Sport, alright, my bad. That definitely broke the speakers. Definitely. Bro, I can't hear, man. I'm deaf. That was freaking awesome. All right, time to park the Mini. Oh. All right, Mini time. All right, let's do this. Of course, I'm not gonna do a burnout because, well, I'm gonna park next to my BMW counterpart. Nope. I'm not even close to being to this rep battle. Alright, it's telling me to drive more because I keep thinking it's touch screen, but it's not. Alright. And we are here. Alright. car talk as always. There's a challenge, E30 versus Camaro SS. Well, this is the Corvette C what?
C7.
C7
Seventh generation.
Stingray. It is beautiful. Not a fan of the chrome wheels, but
Either.
it looks freaking nice, man. But I cannot wait till the newer one comes out. And of course, you got your Fiat. Oh yeah, I've rented a couple of those back in the day. Don't ever rent them. Another Camaro. Is that a Camaro? Yes, it is. Please be a Camaro. And this.
That's a nice car.
What is this car? It's a
Apparently it's a
VW. That's
What is this
awesome.
car?
You have the owner here.
Mr. Owner, how are you doing?
Yeah, good.
Mohammed, nice to
Luigi,
meet you.
Hello.
Luigi, nice
What is this car?
Can you tell us about it?
It's Volkswagen SP2. It's a Brazilian car.
Oh.
It's made for Brazilian market from 72 to 76.
So you imported it from Brazil
No,
to
no,
here?
I found here in
Oh.
Riyadh. I restored it here. in
You
Riyadh.
lucky man.
Yeah, but
amazing.
it was not in this condition. Eh? It was garbage.
You made it look good.
Well, thank you.
Very
Oh,
nice
it's a
car.
rear. Oh, wow.
The engine is in the back.
I would have never guessed that.
What? You should put a Porsche engine in it.
Oh. That would be
I think
sick.
it doesn't fit the Porsche engine. This one is 4-cylinder. If I put a 6-cylinder,
We can
You
make
have
it
some.
work.
We know
there's
some
a-
fabricators.
Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It was a beautiful car.
Yeah,
really
pretty
appreciate
nice
it.
ride. Thank you.
Can we check it from the inside?
yeah, sure.
Thank you so much. It is an absolute amazing condition. Mashallah, mashallah. Dude, this is gorgeous. It's.
No, wait.
Oh, sorry. I love the steering wheel. Feel it, man. It's amazing. And of course, oh, we got another. Well, that was made for the Brazilian market, although it's a German car. Now we got a beautiful, I think it's red, maybe burgundy, Carrera S. And now you got the trucks. We love our trucks back in Saudi. The F-150. I'm a huge fan. I would definitely go for the Raptor, although I do find it overpriced. And if I do, I would go for the older versions, the V8s. And of course, you got your Crown Vic. Yeah, this is something amazing. This is made for the desert. Look at it. Love the weird camouflage. Got the scoop. The Defender. It doesn't sound good as the other cars, if you know what I mean, but I'm sure it does the job in the desert. Old school, all day, every day. Look at this. Look at this. This is a good. What the? This is crazy. Look at this Jeep. This is a military grade truck that will do its job. This is a military grade truck that will do its job anywhere in Saudi or around the world. I love this insane mixture of cars all around me. It is freaking insane. Insane. Classics, new cars, old cars are classics. But yeah, this is freaking amazing. I'm glad we get to do this every Friday. Wow, absolutely wow. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullah. All right, ladies and gents, we're about to go on a quick cruise. Ooh, look at the M4. We're gonna follow Zaid in his bum in his Corvette. That's the game plan. It's gonna be a chill cruise, nothing crazy. It's just the four of us. Oh god, that M4 is so sexy. Goodbye, classic cars. You will be missed. Goodbye, Stingray. Oh, there he goes, there he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Oh, this is crazy. Everyone slowed down, so let's just take it easy. Actually, we've been taking it easy. Actually, we haven't even exceeded the speed limit, which I love. It's just the acceleration. Something about that acceleration that's amazing. Plus, it's a Friday. It's the weekend in Saudi, so this early in the morning, the streets are empty, and it is fantastic. Oh, here they come! Here they come! Here comes the M4. I love BMWs. He is way too concentrated. Where is Zaid's and his Corvette? And here he goes. Look at this beautiful, beautiful. Oh my god. I love the variety. We don't just go for a specific type of car. It's all sorts of cars, and everyone is welcome. The control on this car is simply phenomenal. ما شاء الله ما شاء الله. يعني اقترح لأي شخص يحب سيارات صغيرة Mini Cooper, but go for the S. Go for the powerful one. Don't go. I mean, I've driven the regular one, and it is a freaking disappointment in every sense of the word. Yeah. So if you get the chance to get a Cooper S, go for it. If not, at least go for it. John Cooper works. What is wrong with me? Go for one of those. If not, then I would highly recommend a Ford Focus RS. But this thing is a joy, and the handling for a front-wheel drive car is freaking amazing. Haval. What the hell is a Haval? Can someone please tell me what country, which company produced it? Another one. Ooh, someone's out on their bike. Let's be thoughtful because that's a nice bike. Love the color. Front-wheel drive car is amazing. Wow. Yeah, as long as it brings you a smile to your face, then it's doing the right job. Absolutely fantastic. A Charger RT. Ugh. No. I don't take it back. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, that's my choice. neighborhood. We're in the neighborhood. We're in the neighborhood. We're in the neighborhood. We've made it safe and sound to the neighborhood. Now let's park the car inside the garage. Oh, road construction everywhere we go. All right, now we need the. All right, there it is. That was so much fun. Oh, holding a camera and doing all of this is not very easy, so shout out to all the vloggers that do this on a daily basis. Well, Crewz Nation, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We had a bunch of classic cars, a bunch of non-classics, and that cruise was a lot of fun. It was short, but it was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please stay tuned, and I cannot wait to drop so many other vlogs with so many other awesome people and even awesomer cars. Take care, be safe. Mosey, Crewz Nation out. Peace.